Hello everyone. Usually I start my videos differently, but I figured I would show you guys how I prep the night before for my quiet times in the morning and just how I get things ready so it's smoother and I can get right to it. So that is what I'm doing now. I actually have a video exporting, so I'm just gonna work around that. Also, it snowed today, so that's exciting. That's what I like to do first. Wow, my laptop just got really loud. What I like to do first is just put things away where they should be. Put books back on my cart, pens, things away. I actually don't have too much out, so that's good. Pulling out my Advent reading plan so I can do that in the morning, and I usually have a paper clip on it, but it keeps coming off and it's driving me crazy. The way I typically like my desk, and I'm sorry if I'm really low and quiet, it's late. I usually like my desk clear with just like my Bible and what I actually need, and then space for my coffee in the morning because I do make coffee. So this is going to be the plan for now. Bible and Advent planner, spot for my coffee, for my water. I just moved the painting there for now. It's not done. Maybe I will work on it when I have time, but that is pretty much all that I do kind of the night before. Just clear off this desk, get rid of the mess, so I can start the day with a clear mind, desk, space. And yeah, so I will pop back on in the morning and share with you guys my quiet time. Hello everyone, good morning. My nose is so terrible. My allergies are so bad and I don't know why. I've gone through like half a box of tissues and this is not a cute look. So I figured that I would just bring this quiet time video into tomorrow and chat with you guys once I've, can breathe a little better, can keep my eyes open a little bit more. But it snowed yesterday. I think I mentioned this. It looks so pretty. I love it. Let me show y'all. Like, I did read a little bit today, but it's so hard to focus when I'm constantly like spewing gunk out my nose. TMI. So I will come back tomorrow and we can chat. Hello everyone. It is the next day. I am exhausted. I feel much better. My allergies have settled, but I'm exhausted and it's so hard to focus. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. This is a very different quiet time routine we started off trying to set ourselves up for success. And I'm here just laying my head down. I think because it's just so hard for me to focus with reading and just like sitting here, I think I'm gonna do some journaling. I have my coffee and Bible time prayer journal, and I think I'm just going to do this morning and then come back to my Bible later. I just think I need to give myself grace and tell myself, you know, it's okay to read my Bible later and to just focus on prayer journaling and like writing, because I need to, it's a different type of focusing that will help me to actually do what I want to do. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So if you have been struggling to read your Bible or just focusing, this is me telling you, give yourself grace, journal to the Lord, rest in Him, and if all you get read today are a couple of verses, it's better than no verses. So I might try and finish out this chapter that I tried reading yesterday and then just go into my prayer journal. So I think something else I want to say is, don't put so much pressure on yourself to read so much. I think sometimes I can put a lot of pressure on myself to read large chunks of the Bible in a sitting versus just saying like, I think today God just wants me to read a chapter, because that's all I can mentally take in, and that's okay. So I figured I'd say that too. It's getting loud out there. Also, y'all need to be cleaned. So I'm going to journal. I'm using the Coffee and Bible Time prayer journal, and I also have just a little notebook journal that I use. So in my Coffee and Prayer Time journal, I do more specific journaling. So specifically for certain people, for people in my life, people at church, my friends, family, YouTube, some of you guys, and they're more specific things, where in this notebook I just write out to the Lord as if I'm praying to Him, and sometimes writing out my prayer can help me focus more and not like lose my train of thought, and it's a little more intentional. So that's kind of what I like to do. So that is what I'm gonna do now. And I do like this journal. I like the way it's broken down. I can use my sticky notes. It's nice and it's sturdy. So I have a whole review on this. If you guys want to check that out, I can leave that link down below. But that's what I'm gonna do now. Struggling a little bit this morning, mostly due to the fact that I didn't feel great yesterday. I feel better today. My allergies are just so bad that it's like all this. It's wild. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A little different than my normal quiet times. I usually talk a lot more, let you guys know what that's showing me, but today I just really needed to take some rest, just pray, be before Him, and just not do as much as I normally do, and that's okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.